Maximus, what you eating? A stick? You like the stick? Oh my gosh. Okay. Good boy. Now give it to me. Give it to me. No, give it to me. Hey! Give it to me. Give it to me, Maximus. I see it. Hey. I see the stick. Let go of it. You don't know how to play fetch yet. No. There you go. Now you gave it to me. Maximus. Oh. Okay. Ready? Go get it. Good boy, Maximus. Hand it to me. Hand it to me. Maximus. Is this your way of playing fetch? Hey! Come here with the stick. I'm gonna get the stick. You were fast for a big dog.